Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now you might be thinking, what on earth has she got? Why has she got a video entitled Reborn box opening? Now, my daughter told me that she was going to have a baby a few months ago. I'm delighted. The baby is not due until February 2023. And I've been crocheting and making a lot of little items, but I need a little dolly. I needed a little baby to try these on. So I had I could do some thumbnails and things that were a little better anyway. I was on Amazon and I didn't order it from Amazon. I was looking at all the dolls. I was just going to buy a basic baby doll, maybe about a 0 to 3 month size. My children are in their 30s and I have got no clue what a small baby, even sort of what size, what they are anymore. It's been so long. And so when I was looking on Amazon, I saw these ones that were called reborn dolls. Now, they're not the really expensive £200 reborn dolls. And basically you get what you pay for. Now, some of these dolls were £80. For the cheaper ones were like £80. They were £90. They were £120. Some of them were 200 and whatever. So my friend told me to try AliExpress. Now, it is items from China, and most of all these products come from there anyway. So I found one, and this is what it looked like. Now that's that's a picture of what they're advertising that it looks like. No, even if it looks slightly like that, then I'll be quite happy. But it could be a Chuckie doll. Yeah, we don't know. It could be, well, whatever it is, then we've got it because it's been delivered, and I'm going to open it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it from the back, I think. We'll open it from there, and I don't know if it's in a container. I can feel an arm here. It's a bit like giving birth to a baby, but not getting all the pain that goes with it. But let's see. We'll just like normal births, we're going to see what it looks like. So Muttley is patiently waiting on the bag. Now, it's wrapped up in foam, so that's okay. Is that a good sign? I don't know. But when I read a lot of the comments, most people were quite happy with the doll that they got. And I think a lot of these get sold as Christmas presents. So we'll get it out of this bag. And I got a new subscriber when the postman came and delivered this, the parcel man. When I told him it was a baby, it was in there. And that got a doll. And he'd actually told me that his wife was expecting a baby in March. And I told him about my channel. And he went on his phone right away. He subscribed. He said he's going to send it to his wife, because she started to do some crochet as well. And we're struggling a little bit. So, oof, look at this. We'll give this bag to Muttley, so you might hear a bit of noise. And for you that don't know, Muttley's my little dog. Right, so we'll open this. We'll keep this wrapper. This is quite sort of... Oh, I'm quite apprehensive. What's it going to be? And my daughter's going for one of those 3D scans today, so hopefully we're going to find out what the baby is, the real baby. We're going to find out what it is going to be. Oh. Now, this one looks as if it's dressed in pink. It doesn't matter. I wanted one that would look either or, that would look like a boy or look like a girl. Oh, the feet look promising. Look at this. Now, this is a silicone. Oh, it is quite squidgy. Oh, it is quite squidgy. Now, let's have a look. Oh, is that the size of a baby? Poor thing's in the plastic bag. Well, so far so good. It's got a little hair. Oh, imagine opening this and they're like, oh my goodness. So we're going to move this. Now, I picked one that kind of looked not like a sleeping baby. I didn't want one that looked like a baby that was asleep. I wanted one that looked as if it was awake. Now this one looks kind of mature. Maybe once I move its hair out of the way it'll look more babyish. Now I have, oh, it's in one of these bags. Right, let's unmere into this little person. Now it does have pink things. It's got a little nappy. What's that? Oh, it's a little feeding bottle. Don't need that. Don't really need the dummy. Oh, you get a birth certificate. I get to call it. Do you know, I say okie doke a lot, and this is what it's going to get called. But I'm going to call him or her a okie doke. He's a okie doke. So it's going to be a boy or a girl. I wanted one that would look like a boy or a girl. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Look at his face! Oh, take this off. Oops, pulled a little bandana off on it. It's got a little bow. We'll put that to the side. It's got a little vest on. Oh, look at his face. Oh, it needs a little hairdo. But look at that. Even if it's got a hat on, look, it's going to look really like a baby. Oh my goodness. I need to take some pictures and send them to my daughter. I'm going to actually change this colour here. Watch this. I'll take that so that we can, there we go. We can see this baby a little bit better. Not the baby. I mean, maybe it'll... Oh, look at this. So cute. And it actually sits. Let's see if it sits up. Ta-da! Look at that. That is going to be a brilliant little model. Other than the real thing. But the thing is though, my daughter doesn't live very close to me. So its hair's a little bit thin. It's got headlights. It hasn't actually. It's just bits of the bagging on it. Its hair's soft though. I mean, a lot of people say that their hair was quite wiry, but this one isn't. My goodness. Now, I'm not getting paid today. I'm not getting paid. I'm in that round. I'm not getting paid to do this. By the way, wait till my sister Sandra sees this. Oh, do you know, see for Christmas, I think I'll order her one and send it here. It's absolutely amazing. I love its cute little face. Look at that. It's a beautiful, cutie little face. Absolutely adorable. Now, it's got in the bag, you get a birth certificate. I don't know who I'll put down as a father. This is so funny. I haven't, do you know, I've not laughed that much since I had COVID because it made me feel quite down. But you get a little bottle. I'm not really going to need that. You get a little diaper. What's this? This is just about your doll. Tells you the hazards, that it's not for very small children. Not to give it to children under 3 years. And that's its birth certificate. No, you sit back. The weight, the length, the name. Do you know, my daughter was quite long when she was born. My daughter was like 28 inches long. I mean, both my children are quite tall. Now, this is supposed to be magnetised. And you can just stick it. Oh, look. You can feel it. Sit up. There we go. Now, I'm going to go... like I said, I was going to call it Okie Doke, but I think it needs a better name than that. I think it needs a better name. I had to sit up. Would they even sit up that young? They wouldn't sit up like that young. And the legs move like this. They don't bend in the middle at the knees, and they don't bend at the elbows. They move their arms, and their hands don't move. I don't know about the very expensive. Now, it looks as if it's got a little bit of sunburn. It's a little bit red there. Now, it tells you not to wash them, because I don't know if you wash them, it takes some of the colour. I've seen people saying that it takes some of the colour out of them, but I'm not going to do that. It's ice Its eyes don't open and close. Now that would have been a plus if it did, wouldn't it? But they don't. It's just always awake. Ah, no bothers. You don't want your child always awake, do you? And it's got a really cheeky little grin. Look at that. We need to give it a name. So if you're thinking of a name, then put it underneath in the comments. Look at its little tiny nail. Look. It's got one tiny little fingernail. It's amazing. But it doesn't have them on the other fingers. But it's got one there. Oh, that one's a little tiny bit white. Oh, that one. Look at that one. It's got tiny little fingernails. That's cool. Look at its little hand. Look at that. But, oops. Stomachs fell off. Put that back on. We'll take that off. You don't need that. And things made. And I think these are going to be a little bit on the big side. So if this is supposed to be an up to 3 months, I think, I don't know what size this cardigan is going to be classed as. Let's try it on. Let's see. I'm going to have to make my clothes a little bit smaller, I think, to fit this little lady or gent or whatever it's going to be. It's not too bad. When they're small, their clothes are a little bit on the biggish side. You'll grow into it, okie doke. You'll grow it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Look, I think everyone should have one of these. Butley's playing away with the bag. But look at that. Now this is the little reborn doll, and it was from AliExpress. It was half the price of the ones on Amazon. This one was £37. Now you might think that's a high price for a doll, but it's a beautiful doll. Can you imagine getting one of these for Christmas? Now it's not a promo video. I did buy this myself because I wanted a much better model than the one I had. Now this is a picture of the doll that I already had. So as you can see from that picture, there is a huge, look at this cute little face. Or it was 32, and with a little bit of tax, it was 37 altogether. That's what it was. So it is so cute. Really pleased with it. Look at this. I'll take my little cardigan back off it. Pity it's not got bendy arms so that you could get these in. But it is so cute. So cute. I would say it's really a really newborn sort of size. I would assume that it was that, even though it looks a little bit older. But look at that. Its hair's just, it's so soft, its hair. But look at that. You move it that way, it looks a lot older, doesn't it? It's got such a cute little baby face. And I'm really, I'm really chuffed with it. I'm really surprised. Now this one's got blue eyes. I'm going to say that you get a choice of having it with blue or brown eyes, even though down here they look brown, but they're actually blue. With a look at his face. My goodness. Absolutely, I'm really pleased. You can tell, can't you? You can tell I'm really pleased with it. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will leave a link to AliExpress where I got this one, and if you want, you don't have to. If you just type in reborn dolls, but this one I don't even know. I'll leave in the description. I'll leave what this one is called. It doesn't actually have a name, but it is so cute. I'll leave a link. And if you don't like this one, then you can type reborn. That's if you're looking for one of these. These are brilliant for kids for Christmas. And we're getting close to Christmas or birthdays. And look at that. And maybe if Amy does have a girl or even a boy, he'll have a little friend to play with. Oh, it's so funny. It's so funny. Look at its little legs. Look at that. Bring its little legs up. Arms. I think it's cute. So cute. So cute. I'm really pleased. I'm really pleased it's not an ugly doll, because some of them, when you see them on Amazon and they get them, they're absolutely hideous and they're nothing like the pictures, but this is. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I am so pleased with this. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Now it's not turning into a doll channel. It's going to stay its crochet channel. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube, I'll tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. And remember, put a little comment in for a little name that we can give this. It needs a name. If I show it on some of my videos, it needs to have a little bit of a better name than I'm calling it Okie Doke, because I say Okie Doke a lot. I also say honey a lot as well. We could call it honey. I don't know. But a little smiler. That's what it should be called. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.